Narcissists never get over you. They never forget about you.
So watch that full vid for context if you're on TikTok. So do narcissists ever forget you? I'm gonna say it just really depends on the dynamics of the relationship. If you're just a Tinder person or a Bumble person or a Hinge person, one night stand hookup, yeah, they will 100% forget about you. If you were with this person for any kind of substantial amount of time, then no, they probably won't forget about you. And I feel like that's true with just normal people as well. But from the narcissist perspective, if you discard a narcissist, like in this video, they won't forget about you. But it won't be in a good way. It'll be just with malicious intent. Because discarding a narcissist is one of the things that you can do to cause the biggest narcissistic injury out there. And they will make them obsessive over you. And it could get very, very dangerous and very, very scary because narcissists hate to be replaced. They hate to be discarded, hate to be, put down in any type of way. That ego is fragile. So a narcissist not forgetting about you is definitely 100% not a good thing all the time or any of the time. I hope this helps. What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of A Narcissist Explains. I am self-aware narcissist Lee Hammock, better known as Mental Healness, from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You know where to find me at. If this is your first time to see my face, I take my platform, I use my platform, and I raise awareness for narcissistic personality disorder, other mental health issues, get more people into therapy, because there's nothing wrong with therapy, and also while doing that, validate the victims and survivors of said disorder, or people that are just curious. This series is dedicated to taking my TikToks, YouTube shorts, and whatnot, and just making them longer. There's 60 seconds over there. There's going to be longer here. I can guarantee you that much. So the one you just watched was about, will a narcissist ever forget you? Will a narcissist get over you? In the situation, I always answer the question with it depends. If you were a one-night stand, a one-night hookup, a one-night person, one night only, one night type of thing, then no. Yeah, they will literally forget you. Get over you really, really quick. Use you. Y'all mutually go your separate ways. Use, ghost, whatever. They will forget you. And under that circumstances, yes, they will 100%. Oh, sorry. They will 100% forget you. Tissue real quick. But if you had any kind of if your relationship with that narcissistic person or toxic person, whatever, lasted any substantial amount of time, then no, they probably won't forget you. They will literally, obsess over you. Depending on how the relationship ended. Because I've forgotten about people. Like, when I saw that video, I had to think about people. I'm like, I've forgotten about people. I've gotten over plenty of people. I just have. I've gotten over people. I forgot about people. People not the people I had long-term relationships with. Anything short-term, like a couple of weeks dating, whatever, hookup, whatever, I forgot those people. I might see them online. I'm like, oh, yeah, I remember you. But any type of long-term relationship, my first girlfriend, the girl who broke my heart the hardest, my wife, my son's mom, I don't forget those type of people. But, anybody else, you forget those people. If you had a very, very short-term thing with a narcissist, they probably will forget you. And you probably forget them. So unless they clapped your cheeks to all Hades or, let you, or put it on you, or put the cheeks on you, and just blew your mind, then you might not forget them. But here's the kicker right here. When I talk about narcissists, y'all, I'm not speaking for every single narcissist on this planet. I just can't do that. I don't have the ability to do that. I don't know everybody's thought process. I'm just speaking in broad terms. So if you have sometimes it really, really does not, when you deal with a narcissists become attached very, very quickly. Like during the love bombing, the idealization phase, believe me when I say this, that it just feels like real, like you are the one. We found our person. We found a connector. We found a reason to keep going. Like, you are it for us, and we love bomb you to craziness. When we saying I love you in 2 or 3 weeks, we mean it actually. And it's not the love that's going to last for a very, very long time. It's like situational love. It's conditional. Because if I say I love you in 3 weeks and you don't say it back, now you become an enemy. It's like sometimes it just switches off. They don't understand. Like, narcissists don't understand why you don't say it back. So in 3-4 weeks, if they said I love you, in a narcissist's mind sometimes, that is a substantial relationship. And that time, then they might become obsessed over you. They might become obsessive over you. And plus, like, if a narcissist tells you I love you really, really quick, and you discard them by saying, you reject them by saying, I'm not saying it back immediately, you become an enemy. You're not, that love, sometimes that love they just express for you, it might go away in that moment. They say I love you, and you don't say it back, it's like, oh, thank you, I'm not ready to say it yet. And that's like rejection. To the narcissist, you just discarded them. And if they keep you around, they might try to get that love back, but they're gonna punish you. Sooner or later, you're gonna get punished for it. You're gonna get punished for it. It's gonna get brought back up, and it's going to get used against you. Because like I said, it does not take a narcissist very, very long to become attached to somebody. It just doesn't. You know what I mean? We just become attached really, really quickly. So when I say they won't forget you if you had any kind of substantially long relationship with a narcissist, substantially long to a narcissist could be just a month, because they fall in love with you really, really quick and try to hit you with the love bombing and affection and keep you around forever. They want to keep you around forever, so they give it to you. You know what I mean? They give you all this love, they give you all this affection, they give you this all this everything. You know, they keep you around, and if you reject them, they become obsessive. They become obsessive over you. And if you had any type of like in, I guess, non-narcissist perspective, if you married a narcissistic person, if you engaged with them, if you were with them for months and months and years, then no, they won't forget you. They will not forget you. They're still thinking about you now. But it might not be in the best of ways, because sometimes people use that as a flex. Like, I know my narcissist won't forget these muscles, but it's not, and they're not thinking about that in the best of terms. That narcissistic woman that I discarded, she's not thinking about these muscles. She's thinking about trying to break my arm or hurt me, or trying to ways to get back into my life to make me pay for discarding her. It's not in the best terms. Like, they won't forget me because I put that thing on. I put it on them. No. That is not a flex that a narcissist has not forgotten about you. I promise y'all. Don't flex on that, because it's not a flex. I'm telling you, you don't want a narcissist to obsess over you. You just don't want that, because when they become obsessive over you, they won't leave you alone. They stalk you. They want an explanation as to why you discarded them. They want a chance, a second, third, fourth, 15th chance to prove that they are the one for you, to prove that they love and care about you. They want a 19th chance to prove that they can be the one for you. They can be the one to take over your heart and love and stuff like that. So, and you can't make, and I know people are going to ask this, so how do we make them forget about us? You can't do it. You just can't. You can't. Sometimes you just can't you can't do that. Even if the narcissist discards you after a long-term relationship, they still won't forget about you. They might not obsess over you as much. Some of them do. Some of them still obsess over you. Don't want to see you. Even if they move on to somebody else, they don't want to see you with anybody else. They want you to stay single and lonely, so just in case they can come back. So they obsess over you, even if they discard you. So if they get rid of you, if they break up with you or whatever, they leave your life, they can still become obsessive over you, and the rules still apply. They won't forget about you, even if they discarded you. If you had a relationship at any type of long term, any type of substantial feelings exchange and love and care exchange, they won't forget you either. So yeah, that does help. That does work that way right there. And just stay safe and protect yourself if you have dealt with a narcissistic person, because like, them not forgetting about you is not a flex. Like, he had to repeat that. Them not forgetting about you is not a flex. Because some of them become obsessive. Protect yourself, because some of them become dangerous people. Some of them are literally dangerous people. Fall in love really, really quick, become attached really, really quick, and don't want to see you with anybody else. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all. I truly appreciate every single one of y'all. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'm just thankful. I really, really am, y'all. Mental Healness is out. Peace.